So welcome back students. So today I will discuss the remaining part of this topic, the adolescence and the very important topics. So what is adolescence? Adolescence is a period when the child or the person having the age is between 10 to 18 years or the 19 years. Sometimes it will be vary 19 and that sometimes it will be 18. But the first, that is the adolescence, that will come in the 11 years to the 14 years old, and the second, that is the 15 to 18 or sometime it will be 19. So in this particular period, this called the adolescence period. In this particular adolescence period, some of the important factors or some of the important physical changes are being observed. The girls or the boys having some kinds of symptoms or some types of significance changes are being observed and this particular period. In this particular period, to 11 years to the 14 years, the early adolescence period, the boys grow about in average in 10 centimeter in a year, whereas the girls average rate is 8 centimeter in a year. So what are the important physical changes are being involved in this period? Why it is important? So in this period, like the person or the child having some physical changes are being observed, and there as well as their mentality also. And this particular period, the boys becomes taller and but sometimes it will be thin. This time the shoulders are being wide, voice become deep, the growth of facial hair, and here sometimes pubic area and the armpits. In the girls also, the body becomes the curvier and voice becomes the high pitch, sometimes the growth of the hair being armpit and pubic area, enlargement of the breast, and sometimes the hip bones becomes widens. So this kind of things will be observed in this period. So in this period, the hormones are being very important role playing, and this particular period, the 11 to 14 years, this period is called the adulthood period, or sometimes it is called the puberty, because the childhood gradually decreases and the adulthood part will be increases. So this period is called the transition period also. Okay. Some of the emotional changes also being observed in this case of adolescence period. Mood change is there. Often sometimes the parents and the children become rebel on this sometimes on a topic, and hormones is responsible for this kind of thing. So these are the important points for the adolescence. Now coming to the point, that is the importance of the personal hygiene. Why it is important? Because the good hygiene habits is help us to keep our body strong and healthy, as well as it also helps to give the good appearance. It helps us to the better self-assessment, esteem, and the implementations of the personal hygiene habits not only the prevent us but illness, but also the provide some personal and the social benefits. The personal hygiene also keep us the good health also. So in this particular period, in this particular personal hygiene thing, another important part is there, that is the stress management. So in this busy schedule, so stress is there, but all the time stress if you bear, so it will be very harmful for health. So some of the way and how to your stress be reduced, like sometimes listening music, meditations, sometimes play cricket, football or something other games, and maintain the time management, exercise, and thinking some positive thinking. So this way your stress can be removed or reduced. So these are the important part for how to overcome the stress. And here some tip is there to reduce the stress level, like avoid caffeine, alcohol and the nicotine. Always eat a balanced diet, adequate rest and the sleeping, books reading, painting or some other things, extracurricular activities. Try to relaxations techniques like yoga, meditations. Talk to friends, parents regarding any difficult situations. And the very important thing, that is the time management. So the time management is not good, the person will suffer in many kind of problem. So time management is an important part to reduce the stress level. Okay, so this is all about the chapter that is endocrine systems. And now your work is you go through the videos and this whole chapters and learn each and everything. Okay, thank you.